Totally my first experience getting rats online. Let's see how this goes.
Did you know that they came in? Is that why you popped your little head out?
Oh, Diana. Such a cutie. Alright. Looks very well insulated. That's good. So, okay, how am I going to do this? Just rip the box. Suppose. There. Okay. I gotta say, this is very well packed. This was from Perfect Prey, I've heard good things about. So far, it hasn't disappointed, but we'll see if the cargo is actually... Okay, let's see. Frozen still. That's my main concern. Oh yeah, it definitely feels frozen. I can feel the little ice crystals in, or on the insulation rather. This is hard to do with one hand. It's like fucking gutting a polar bear or something. Or like that tauntaun that Luke had to frickin' sleep inside. My fingers are cold. Alright for custom knives. Okay, I think we're good. Nitty-gritty of this. Well, that's good. That's exciting. Frozen solid. Look at that. Ooh, I'm impressed. I'm going to be shopping with them some more. Without a doubt. For you jerks over here, look at that. Perfection. Oh, that's cold. Ooh. Well, that was awesome. Overall, very pleased. And I'm going to...
Yes, I'm gonna start heating them up for you crazies.
Diana. She's been hiding this whole time and she just pops out like, food?
Yes.
Alright. Well, time to heat up some mice.